the Waianae side, or the lady side. And there's a black button on the wall. You gotta hold it down till the toilet paper get saturated with water and it can get pushed down into the tank. If it's only damp, it won't go down. All it will do is build up. Then you have a lot of toilet paper. And then when you try to push it through the tube or through the hoses, it won't go because it becomes cakier. So on the pot side, the men can use stand up pissing. You make shishi. The ladies on the starboard side, okay? And if you men have to make number 2, go on the starboard side, okay? There's a lock on the outside of the door for keep the door from swinging. A lot of guys think they're He-Man, strong guys, and some Wahinis. They grab them and they yank the whole door off, the whole lock off the wall. Yeah. All you have to do is slide the latch back and the door will open, okay? And when you get through with the toilet, you slide the latch back to lock, so the door won't swing while we coming aboard or going off the boat, okay? Okay, that is said, I think that was the most important thing to say, because everybody gotta use the toilet. Now, if the toilet is not working, the only other place to use the toilet is in the ocean. So we gotta stop the boat, you gotta go in the ocean, make your shishi, and then we gotta pick you up, back up. You guys don't wanna do that, I know. Okay, anyway, let me introduce myself. My name is Henry. I'm the captain. The crew call me Papa, okay? That's easier, because everybody's got a Papa, yeah? That's a natural international language right there, or word. Anyway, let me introduce the crew. Zion, safety swimmer. We got Kalani, he's our safety swimmer. We got other people in the back here hiding. We have Maikai, he's a safety swimmer. We got Yuya, he's a photographer. And where's our boss? She's hiding too. Everybody hide on his boat. This is a small boat. When you cannot find people, something is wrong. Yeah? That means they don't want to be seen. Okay, this is our boss right here. Okay, Yuriko. Okay, so anyway, welcome aboard. Today we're going to go along the Waianae coast looking for dolphins, yeah? When we do find the dolphins, we'll put you in the water and hopefully the dolphins will swim around you, okay? I say hopefully because this is wild dolphins. We cannot train them, okay? Every day I go out there, I keep my fingers crossed and my legs crossed that they will come to us or we can find them, yeah? Sometimes we go without finding them, so that's a long trip because we go from the north end to the south end searching for dolphins, okay? And then sometimes it takes 2 hours just to find a pond, yeah? But hopefully, if everything goes well, they're in the morning. And Pokai Bay is the best place, right here next to the old harbor. They come in and they'll stay in the area. But they wasn't in yesterday. The week before that, they was in every day. But now they're moving spots. So we found them in Makua yesterday. We'll go down to Makua and search. We had a nice big pond down there. So it was a good swim. The water is super clean right now because there's no current. So the water is crystal clear. When you look down, in fact I scolded one of my crew. He picked up a cone shell about this big. And it's a no-no not to touch that cone shell. Because if they have a live animal inside, they're very dangerous. You can kill you in seconds. One thing, aloha. Okay. So anyway, before we get started, Coast Guard regulations state that we have to inform you in case there's an emergency. We want you guys all sitting down, then we'll pass out the life vest, okay? The life vest, and then we'll instruct you on what to do. Okay, the next thing is that we need to demonstrate the life vest, so Zion is going to demonstrate the life vest to you.